Once your form has been created, we then need to go and add some test data so we can test out the form. Now you can see here I've added 3 responses to this form already. So what I did was I went to the live form and then I just went through the form and completed it. This way I can see whether the actual form is working or not. So once I've done my responses, like I say, there are 3 there, I can then view the responses. Now you may see for the first time that this button is different. It may say something like change response destination, in which case you will get this particular screen come up. Now from this screen you can rename the sheet. Now I tend to leave it as it is because it very clearly says that these are the responses from my digital skills form. You can create a new sheet in an existing spreadsheet, so your form responses are recorded within an existing spreadsheet that you may have already created. And then you click on the create. In this case, I can just click on the view responses because it's automatically set it up for me. So I'm going to go and have a look. And here you can see these are the 3 responses that I have entered. It will timestamp the form, and because we have ticked this button here, it will automatically record the username of the person that has filled out the form. So you don't have to worry about getting their name if their username is related to their name. And here you can see the data. Now, the data is spread out. Now you can see this is where the field names becomes very useful. So I can see very quickly that these are the spreadsheet questions, these are the database questions, and these are the word processing questions. If you wanted to, you could add another line here and put the help text in here and cut and paste those help text in there so you know exactly what the question is. Like I said in the previous video, these are just test records. So if I wanted to start from scratch, I would need to delete these test records and then go back to my form and then go to responses and delete all responses. And then my form is empty and my spreadsheet is empty. One word of caution for this, you may want to leave 1 row available in your spreadsheet because then you can start writing formulas here, which we will look at in a future lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to look at how you can start sorting these out. So rather than seeing all your data on one sheet, we can have separate tabs down here for lesson 1, 2, and 3, which will just display the answers to the questions that you want to see.